Hey, this is 春天了. Today I'm going to show you more about my new book, YouTube Rising, 22 Secrets to Go from 0 to 1,000, Build a Brand, Get Paid, and Inspire Millions. And last time I showed you my cover page and a message to you. Today I'm going to show you more about this book. If you haven't already grabbed a copy, get one and change your life. In today's video, I'm going to share you more. We have 22 secrets. What's inside it? Okay, so secret one. Introduction. Why I write this book and why you are exactly where you should be. This is secret one. And for this picture, I took in 2017. This is when I built up my YouTube channel. And this picture took at a Capitol Reflecting Pool in Washington, D.C. When I was there, I got a lot of inspiration and thought there, and I will show you what happened in the future when I get time. Okay, so this is secret one, and here's the secret two. Secret two. Find your niche. Find your passion. What is your passion? Now, secret three. Secret three. Set up like a pro, even if you are a beginner. Are you a beginner? Now, I'm going to share you what is the next chapter. Chapter 4. Secret 4. Your first video from idea to upload without overthinking it. You will get encouragement and inspiration from this secret. Now, secret 5. Content that connects. What works in the first 90 days? Secret 6. Thumbnails, titles, and hooks that get clicks. Secret 7. Watch time, retention, and engagement magic. Secret 8. The subscriber mindsets. How to get people to click subscribe without begging. Secret 9. YouTube partner program and monetization tips. Secret 10. The power of affiliate marketing. Secret 11. Sponsorship, collabs, and digital products. Secret 12. How to reinvest into your brand. Secret 13. Build a loyal community, turning viewer into superfans. Secret 14. Content systems, consistency, and avoiding burnout. The next chapter is Secret 15. Your first viral video, what it teaches you. Secret 16. Lessons from the journey from 1 to 1,000. Secret 17. The long game, staying inspired and growing beyond 1,000. Secret 18. Additional resources and tools to help you continue your journey. Secret 19. Secret 19 topic. A father's wisdom. Lesson from success and wealth. Secret 20. Secret 20 topic. A mother's wisdom. Success with heart and balance. Secret 21. Homeland, our emerging social media and content creators. So you can see our content creator here. Okay, now is Secret 22. Testimonial matters. Okay, so this is a brief introduction of my book. And if you feel moved or inspired, don't forget to subscribe and hit like, and it will help the other people to reach this video and help more people. If you haven't already grabbed a copy, get one and change your life. Thank you so much. See you next time. Thank you. See you.